I'm recording, so don't say bad words.
Okay, copy that, dog.
Yeah.
So how do you breathe in and breathe out? Okay. One more time and out. Okay. You guys did a lot.
Oh, yes.
Relax your elbow.
So cool.
Yeah. Your parents didn't come?
No,
You guys, you three?
they were busy.
Yeah.
We were gonna take them though. I
Mm-hmm.
was telling my dad had some kind of appointment. So.
Alright, nice. Relax your elbow. Okay.
Oh Lord!
Ho, 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 ho.
Give me a squeeze.
I love that.
Now you breathe in and breathe out.
Oh.
That's nice shoulder. Breathe in, breathe out. One last one. And out.
Damn.
Very good, very good.
That was good.
You didn't fall, right?
No.
Relax your elbow.
Oh, that hurts, huh?
That's it. That's the worst part. That's it. Relax for me. That's it. For the elbow, for the shoulder.
Yeah. Wow.
Relax your foot.
Oh yeah.
Still here? Alright.
Gregor, how does that feel?
That was good. Thank you, dog.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm brand new.
I see you, bro.
Thank you.
Cool,
Appreciate you.
cool.
You're amazing, dog. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, my friend.